Now I'll show you how to use a formula. We have already seen how to use the formula in the lower grades, but now a reiteration or a revisit exactly how to use the formula. So we are very much clear now that whenever I'm talking about the formula in Google Sheets, the formula has to start with an equal to sign. Now, first point, a formula can be a simple formula with a single operator. That means a single plus, minus, multiply, divide, or any of the operator. Or it can be a complex operations which consists of multiple operators. It must always start with an equal to sign. To calculate the sum of the number, follow the following steps. Now, in order to make you understand, I'm putting number 1 over here, and then I will be typing number 2, and then I will be typing sum, subtraction, addition, subtraction, then I will be typing division and multiplication. Done. So I will be showing you a simple operation consisting of all the arithmetic operations. Instead of sum, I write addition now. Now I will be typing any of the numbers over here. 12 and 3 I am typing. Now, first go back to the presentation. To enter a formula, either click on the formula bar or double click the cell. So this is the formula bar which you are able to see over here. This is called as the formula bar, or you require to select the cell where you have to insert the result or where you want your result to be displayed. Now type equal to and then the formula. So first I'll type equal to sign. As you are able to see, the equal to sign is displayed over there. And in order to select number 12 is of column A and row 2, or directly select 12. When you select 12, you will be able to see a dotted border appears across number 1. This, this dotted border indicates that number 1 has been selected. Then I'll put a plus operator over here. As you are able to see now, I'll be selecting number 2. Number 2, it is nothing but B2. So over here you are able to see that I have clearly put a formula that is A2 plus B2. If you are sure your formula is correct, just press enter key. And if I change the numbers over here, you will be able to see automatically the result is also changing. Now for subtraction also, equal to, again, number 1, it is nothing but A2. With which sign now this time? I will be using operators minus. And number 2, it is nothing but B2. Press enter. 15 minus 5, definitely 10, equal to. Again A2. Now focus on the divide sign. This front slash is the divide sign, and then number 2. Just press enter. You will be able to see 15 divided by 5. It will be 3. And last it is multiplication. Again starts with equal to sign, number 1. And for multiplication, we can use asterisk operator, or also called as star operator, and number 2, and press enter. So you are able to see over here. Now I'll be changing the numbers 20 and 10. All the result automatically gets changed. So we have used the formula, and while using the formula, you are clearly able to see over there. If you select the cells, you will be able to see which cell have been selected. So over here, A2 and B2 are the cell which have been selected.